Have you ever gone after a certain goal and you've realized and you've only faced roadblocks after roadblocks? Have you ever tried to really go after something or someone, giving your best, learning all the books, learning all the techniques, watching a bunch of videos, listening to podcasts, doing your best to reach that goal or reach that person, and you still struggle and you still failed? In this video, I will explain how by changing their conception, by changing the self-concept, people were able to get the results that they desire. And it was not about the other external techniques, but it was the first thing, their conception within. My name is Rohit and I've been studying about law of attraction manifestations for years now, and my goal with this channel is to simplify manifesting so people can manifest the perfect health, the dream partner, the dream house, whatever they desire with the power of their imagination. So your self-conception is going to define the kind of results you get in your life. In a lot of cases, people overlook the conception, the inner work people do, and they're always looking at the outer tactics or the outer results and outer things that people are doing and not really understanding where they're coming from. So I'll give you a very great example about this, right? There's a very famous YouTuber. He's a guitarist and he's very popular. He makes a lot of money by his products and his services. People watch a lot of his videos. He has hundreds and thousands of subscribers. So he was talking about this thing in one of his interviews. Like when he started out as a guitarist, a lot of people told that guitar is a dying art. Nobody would want you in a band. Nowadays people don't have old school band, and like you're a solo guitarist, a lead guitar player. Most people are, if you look at modern rock or modern pop, very few guitar solos in there, right? Almost non-existent. And he did try to play in some bands. He made a little bit of money, but then a lot of people told him that it can't be done. You can't make a lot of money being a guitar player. You have to get lucky, and that era is gone. He should actually focus on pop music if that is his interest. Maybe should switch to playing keyboard, or maybe play acoustic guitar, or just chords and stuff, and make his song and try that way. But he wanted to play lead guitar, and that was his passion. So after seeing this, after seeing the external 3D world, he resigned himself and he said, okay, maybe this is not for me. Maybe I'm not born to make a lot of money with guitar, but I still love playing guitar, so I will do it. So he resigned himself to a job. He was working a typical 9-to-5 job, and then when he would come back to work, he would play his guitar and he would have this, he would have a lot of fun and this and that. And then one day he was just watching videos on YouTube, and he came across another YouTuber who was playing this phenomenal lead guitar over a song, and the whole song was played on a lead guitar. And he saw that and he's like, wow, that was pretty cool. And then he saw that that person had a link in the description, is, by the way, if you want to learn guitar and be able to play as good as I do, click on the link below. And then he clicked on that link and he went to a landing page on a website where they were teaching how to play guitar, and he went and he bought it, and he saw that it was a membership, which was like, I don't remember exact price, but maybe $20 to $50 per month. And he saw that, and then he found out that the website is not his website, but it's owned by someone else. So why is he promoting that? Then he later on he figured out that he was getting an affiliate commission. So if somebody signs up to that website through his link, he gets a commission, and that person had millions of views on his video. So he thought about it. Okay, if this video has 1 million views, okay, and if let's say 1% of people clicked on that link, okay, only 1%. Okay, just being very, very pessimistic, he thought to himself and he said, okay, let's say 1% of people clicked onto that link, okay, just 1,000. And out of that, even let's say 10% of those people bought it, that's still 10 people who bought that, right? So if the commission was $20, that's 10 people, that's $200 per video, right? So he realized, okay, so he's making $200 per video. So what if I make videos and I make 4 videos like that? I could make $800. Okay, and this was being very pessimistic. He was looking at it as a very negative point. But then he had a change in he had an aha moment. He had this conception, and he looked at this player and he saw, I can do what he can do. I can do what he can do. And when he was saying I can do what he can do, he's saying, I am already that. I'm already that successful musician. I'm already that successful lead guitar player, and I am that. And I'm going to get that. I'm going to be that. And it just totally blew his reality. He changed his self-conception, and he started daydreaming. When he would go to bed, he would visualize himself playing the guitar and having millions of views on his channel, and he started posting videos. People loved his content, but he wasn't getting that traction. And then he was like, maybe I should give up. I don't know. Even though I'm a very good guitar player, I'm still not getting as many views. And then, but he still kept visualizing, daydreaming. And then he found few mentors who talked about YouTube and success on YouTube. They told him to improve his thumbnails, do some title, improve the title, do some SEO, do whatever. They gave him feedback on how to improve his YouTube channel, and he found that. I'm not sure if he paid them or not, and then he realized he can absolutely do that. And his conception was already that I am already that successful lead guitar player who also makes money. And he started making better videos. Those videos got hundreds and thousands of views, and then he created his course and he launched his course, and then people clicked on that link and bought his course, and that's the way he started making money. And now he's making quite a bit of money, pretty decent money, and I'm not sure if he still works in his job. I don't think he does. And that is the way, by changing his self-concept, he was able to make so much money from guitar player. But this is the biggest fallacy a lot of us fall into. And they say, and they see something and they think, oh, I can never do that. Or most people tell them that you cannot make money that way, and then they limit themselves. To, I don't know if I can do that. I don't know. I'm not sure. And really, can I do that? Most people telling me not to do that. So they look at the external world. They look at 3D proof. They look at this proof. They look at other experts telling him or her that it can't be done on this internet. But if they go within, if they change the concept within, they would be successful in spite of the odds, right? If somebody's telling you, they're always telling you from a probability standpoint. They're telling you, okay, being an entrepreneur is really hard, or really, there's like 90% of businesses fail and all that. Why they fail, a big part of it is because they haven't changed the concept of themselves to being a successful business owner. The same thing for guitar. When he really changed himself to be concept of being a successful guitar player, who's also financially successful, his world totally changed. And I'm sure he's gonna make a lot more money for years to come, and he will make a lot money. Okay, so by changing his conception, he got the results. And that is what I really want you to take away from this story. It doesn't matter what is in the external world. It doesn't matter what other people are telling you. It does not matter. What it matters is your conception. What is in your mind, your assumptions, your beliefs. What have you visualized? What have you impressed your subconscious mind? And by impressing your subconscious mind, you're changing your conception within. And by changing this conception, all the information you need, okay, all the people you need to connect to, all the mentors you can find, they will come in your life. A lot of people say, in law of attraction, can you just sit there and manifest $1 million? And I will tell you, yes, you can. Yes, you can, absolutely can. But in a lot of cases, what will happen is you would be drawn to do a business, or you would be drawn to do a deal, or maybe you would be drawn to become a partner in some company, or you will find something valuable, or you would be instinctively driven from within to create this business or create something. And then you will find the right mentors, or you will find the right people, you will find the right techniques, and you will start implementing it, and then you will get your $1 million. And in many cases, it might so happen somebody gives you $1 million, right? You wouldn't even have to lift a finger. But all will dictate from what the conception you have within. And what I've learned is I want to create money through giving value, and that really gives me a lot of fulfillment. It is not just about the money. If it was only about the money, I would just visualize having the money and I will get the money, but it is not going to give me long-term fulfillment. So for that, It's my mission which is driving me to help other people as well. And that is also giving me the financial benefits of my life. And I already have a pretty fantastic life as it is. And so this is a very key lesson I want you to take away. Don't limit yourself at what you look in the 3D world. Remember that you are far greater than you give yourself credit to be. You are connected to this infinite awareness, and whatever you need, once you change the conception, will come to you. Whatever you need, you will do. Right? Let's say you want to be a best bodybuilder. You will find the best coaches. You will find the best nutrition food plan. You will find the right team members or the right people who motivate you or keep you accountable. You'll find all those things. But first, the change has to come from within, from your conception, and all those techniques and strategies will then work. But without changing the conception, all the techniques and strategies, they do not work. So this I wanted to give you in this video. I hope you found this video very valuable. What I'm telling you, I wish somebody would have told me 10 years ago, and I would have literally paid them $10,000. I'm like, this information is so valuable, and here you go, take it. And I'm sharing all of this for free because that is part of my mission. But if you do have any questions, I will also post my email in the comment section below. A lot of people have actually asked me and reached out to me, and they have some questions with maybe they don't find it comfortable sharing it open. And I've also opened up some coaching slots, so I also helped some people because I felt like just having the information wasn't enough to create the change in people. So I've opened up some coaching slots, so I do some coaching as well. Initially I was very reluctant on coaching. I did not want to do coaching, but my coach, he challenged me. It's like, do you just want people to feel good, or do you want them to actually get results? I'm like, I want them to get results. So that's how I started doing coaching. But I only have like few limited slots because I also have my other part-time job, and I also work on my music. I do a lot of other stuff which I enjoy. So if you really are interested, you can send me an email. I will also soon create a platform which will be more easier to reach, and I will do that for a lot of people who have been reaching out to me. So if you really found this video valuable, please post in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also hit the notification bell if you want to hear more of these things, more of these ideas and my story and what I've learned in my life. Because a lot of time when people tell something, and if it's not relatable, it's very hard to really get your head around that concept. But what I try to do is I always try to come from my perspective, and that is what I find very valuable. And I hope you found really great value out of this video, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, I wish you great success on your manifesting journey, and hit that notification bell so you can catch me on my next video.